This is your math spirit. Let us start. Okay. See, last class we studied about operations on real numbers. That radical numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hope all of you know how to multiply two radical numbers. For example, root 5 into root 5. You know what is the value of root 5 into root 5 is equal to root 25. And the value of root 25 is 5. So root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. Same way, one more question. 2 root 3 into 3 root 3. How to multiply these two numbers? This we studied last class, so you know how to multiply. First we multiply the whole numbers. 2 into 3 is 6 into, next we multiply root 3 into root 3. What is the value of root 3 into root 3 is root 9. The value of root 9 is 3. So 6 into 3 equal to 18. If we know how to multiply these two rational numbers only, our next section is easy to you. So next, our today's section is identities. Using identities, simplify radical numbers. So next we write identities. And our first identity is, you know that what is the first identity is a plus b the whole square. What is the value of a plus b the whole square? Using this identity, we simplify some radical numbers. So our first identity is a plus b the whole square. What is the answer? This is the first number. A is the first number and b is the second number. Our answer is first number square, a square. Here the sign is plus, so our all terms the sign is plus. Plus, then 2ab, 2 into first number into second number, plus second number square. This is the answer. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then next one, next identity, a minus b the whole square. What is the value of a minus b the whole square? The answer is first number square, a square minus 2ab, 2 into first number into second number plus second number square. This is the second identity. A minus b the whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a minus b into a plus b. What is the value of a minus b into a plus b? Otherwise, a plus b into a minus b. Both are same. A minus b into a plus b equal to, here both the terms are equal. Here also a, here also a. The second term is b, second term is also b. Only that sign will change. One negative sign and one positive sign. Our answer is only two terms, a square minus b square. First number square minus second number square. This we already studied in 8th standard. So using these identities, next we need to solve problems. So first identity is a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second one, a minus b the whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the last one, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. And our first question, simplify. Simplify root 3 plus root 7 the whole square. Root 3 plus root 7 the whole square. How to simplify root 3 plus root 7 the whole square? This is of the form a plus b the whole square. We know that this is of the form a plus b the whole square. Here the value of a equal to root 3 and the value of b equal to root 7. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. We just represent a equal to root 3 and b equal to root 7. And our answer equal to root 3 plus root 7 the whole square equals a square. A square means root 3 into root 3 plus 2ab. Our second term is 2 into a into b. A is root 3 and b is root 7 plus, and our third term, this first term is a square. A square means, no, don't write this way, root 3 square. You just split it and write it. Root 3 into root 3 plus 2ab. 2 already in the formula, that 2 there. 2 into a into b plus b square. What is the value of b? Root 7 into root 7. Next we need to solve it. This is the first term, 3 terms there, second term and the third term. First term, the value, root 3 into root 3. You know that, what is the value of root 3 into root 3? That you write in the working column. If you won't just write in the working column, root 3 into root 3 equal to 9. That root 9 has value 3. Simply write here 3. Root 3 into root 3, the value is root 9. So the answer is 3 plus. You multiply. This is multiplication of radical numbers. 2 into root 3 into root 7. Multiply only all number and next the radical numbers. Root 3 into root 7 is root 21. Multiply these two. So our answer is 2 into root 21. Simply we can write as 2 root 21. 2 into root 3 into root 7. The answer is 2 root 21 plus the last term is root 7 into root 7. What's the value of root 7 into root 7? Root 49. But the value of root 49 is 7. So you write here 7. This way you multiply it. The first term is root 3 into root 3. The value is 3 plus second term you multiply all these three numbers. 2 into root 3 into root 7. The answer is 2 root 21 plus root 7 into root 7 is 3. Again we can solve the all numbers. 3 here, 1, 7 here. This we can't add because one radical number. So you just add the all numbers. 3 plus 7. What is the value of 3 plus 7? Is 10 plus 2 root 21. This way you write the answer. 10 plus 2 root 21. This is our final answer. Your question is root 3 plus root 7 the whole square. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. Expand using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you write root 3 into root 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 into root 7. Final answer become 10 plus 2 root 21. One more question. Your second one, simplify. 4 minus root 3 the whole square. Simplify. 4 minus root 3 the whole square. We know that this is of the form a minus b the whole square. This is of the form a minus b the whole square. What is the value of a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then here a, what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Here a equal to 4 and b equal to root 3. A equal, in the place of a the value is 4 and the place of b the value is root 3. So a equal to 4 and b equal to root 3. Next we find the value of 4 minus root 3 the whole square. 4 minus root 3 the whole square equals a square means 4 into 4. Not, this is also correct. When you write this way, it's easy for you. So the answer is a square, a 4 into 4 minus, that symbol is minus, 1, 2 already there. So you write 2 into a. What is the value of a? 4 into, what is the value of b? Root 3. This is your second step. Minus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of b? Root 3 into root 3. Again, 3 terms over here. Multiply all the terms. See, 4 into 4, 16 minus, multiply these 3 terms. 2 into 4 into root 3. What is 2 into 4 into root 3? 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into root 3, we can write as 8 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3. We know that what is the value of root 3 into root 3 is root 9. But that root 9 has value 3. So you write over here 3. 4 into 4, 16 minus 8 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Again, some all numbers there, 16 plus 3. This sign of 16 is plus and the sign of 3 is also plus. So we can add 16 plus root 3 is what? 16 plus root 3 is 19 minus 8 root 3. So this is our final answer. The 4 minus root 3 the whole square, the answer become 19 minus 8 root 3. Okay, then next one. Simplify the third question. Simplify 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. So when you get a question, first you check that which identity is using there. So this is of the form A plus B. All the terms are say A plus B into A minus B. So this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. What is the value of A plus B into A minus B? The answer is A square. Only two terms there, A square minus B square. Then after this you write what is A. In the place of A, what is the value there? And the place of B, what is the value there? So here the value of A equal to, here the place of A the value is 5. Same way the place of B the value is root 5. A equal to 5 and B equal to root 5. Then our next step, 5 plus root 5. This is our question. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 equals, our answer is A square minus B square. A square means 5 into 5. Only two terms over there. 5 into 5. The sign is minus B square. The value of B is root 5 into root 5. Again next step, multiply. 5 into 5 is 25 minus root 5 into root 5, the value is root 25. We know that what is the value of root 25 is 5. So root 5 into root 5, the answer is 5. Right over there, 5. So because root 25, the value is 5. So you write here 5. Again, 25 minus 5. You know how to subtract 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. Here the answer is 20. A plus B into A minus B, only two terms, A square minus B square. In the place of A, the value is 5, so you just write it 5 into 5 minus B square. The value of B is root 5, so you write here root 5 into root 5. Next step, 25 minus root 5 into root 5 is 5. So the answer is 20. Okay, next one, simplify. Root 11 minus root 7. Root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. Root 11 plus root 7. Again, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B form. So you write here A minus B into A plus B. Here the value of A is, in the place of A, the value is root 11. A equal to root 11. And the place of B, the value is root 7. A equal to root 11 and B equal to root 7. Now what is the value of A minus B into A plus B? We know that what is the value of A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. So our question, root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7 equals A square minus B square. A square root 11 into root 11. This is A square minus B square is root 7 into root 7. Again, what is the value of root 11 into root 11? Become root 121. You know what is the value of root 121? Root 121. The root 121 is 11. So we can write over here 11 minus, again root 7 into root 7 is root 49. The value of root 49 is 7. So we can write over here 7. Again, 11 minus 7 equals, what is the value of 11 minus 7? 11 minus 7 equal to 4. So our answer is 4. One more question. Simplify. 4 minus 2 root 3 the whole square. Simplify 4 minus 2 root 3 the whole square. So this is of the form a minus b the whole square. So you here write a minus b the whole square. The value is a minus b the whole square equal to, you know that what is the answer? A square. 3 terms there. Minus 2ab plus b square. Then write what is a and what is b. A equal to, in the place of a the value is 4 and the place of b the value is 2 root 3. B equal to 2 root 3. We are using identity, so don't take that negative sign over there because a minus b the whole square. In the place of a it is 4 and the place of b 2 root 3 only. Then 4 minus 2 root 3 the whole square equals a square multiply 4 into 4 minus 2ab. 2 into, what is the value of a? 4 into, the value of b is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus b square. B square means 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. B is 2 root 3. So b square means 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms there. What is the answer? First one, 4 into 4 is 16 minus, second, you multiply all the numbers, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 2 become 16, 1 root 3 over there, right here 16 root 3, multiplied properly, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 2, 16 root 3, plus last term, 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. You know how to multiply 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. First you multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 into, next you multiply root 3 into root 3. It becomes 3. 4 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4 into root 3 into root 3. The value is 3. So what is our answer? 12. The last step, don't make mistake. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. The answer is, first you multiply the all numbers. 2 into 2 is 4. And the second term, root 3 into root 3. The answer is 3. What is 4 into 3? Is 12. Again, 2 all numbers here. 16 and 12. So that both the terms are positive. Plus 16 and plus 12. Just add it. So our answer becomes 28 minus 16 root 3. So this is our final answer. 28 minus 16 root 3. Again, another one type of question. See, 5 plus simplify. 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5. Here we are not, check the question. This is not of the form a plus b the whole square. Here it is not a minus b the whole square. Again it is not a plus b into a minus b. One different type of question. Here both the terms, all the terms are different. 2 brackets there. How to open the bracket? One number is 5 plus root 7 and the second number is 2 plus root 5. We need to simplify it. Simplification means open the bracket. How to open the bracket? First you multiply 5 into 2. Our first step is 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2? You know that 5 into 2 equal to 10. Our next step, you multiply 5 with the second term. 5 with the first term and again 5 with the second term. 5 into root 5. What is 5 into root 5? If the value of 5 into root 5 become 5 root 5, not 25. The value of 5 into root 5 is 5 root 5. Again, second step. First we multiply 5 with both the terms. Next one is root 7 with both the terms. Our next step is root 7 into 2. Root 7 into 2. 2 is a whole number. So our answer is not 14. Our answer is 2 root 7. Root 7 into 2, the answer is 2 root 7. Again, root 7 into root 5. Multiply root 7 with both the terms. So root 7 into root 5 equals, both are radical numbers, we can multiply it. So our answer is root 35. These are the 4 terms. First step is multiply 5 with both the numbers, 5 into 2. Second one, 5 into root 5 is 5 root 5. Again, multiply root 7 with both the numbers. Root 7 into 2 is 2 root 7. And the next one, root 7 into root 5 is root 35. These are the 4 terms. All are positive numbers. This is also positive. This is also positive. All the 4 terms are positive. So you write together our final answer equal to 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 35. This is our final answer. Here there is no like terms. 10 only there. 5 root 5. There is no other 5 root 5. 2 root 7, root 35. So this is our final answer. Multiply with, open the bracket with each term. So this is our answer. One more question like that. Simplify. 4 minus root 3 into root 2 plus 5. Multiply 4 minus root 3 into root 2 plus 5. Here also there is no identities using there. A plus b the whole square is not there. A minus b the whole square is not there. So you a plus b into a minus b, the terms are different. We can't use that 3 identities. Simply open the bracket. You know how to open the bracket. 4. First you multiply this 4 with both the terms. First step is 4 into root 2. 4 into root 2. What is the value of 4 into root 2? 4 root 2. Second one, multiply 4 with 5. This 4 with this 5. First you multiply 4 into root 2. Second step, 4 into 5. 4 into 5. What is the value of 4 into 5? Is 20. Again, next number is minus root 3. Here you take the sign also. Here the sign is minus root 3. So you multiply minus root 3 into this number with root 2. Minus root 3 into root 2. So what is your answer? Minus root 3 into root 2 is minus root 6. Both are radical numbers, multiply it. So the answer is minus root 6. And the last term, minus root 3 into 5. And the last term is minus root 3 into 5. So what is the answer? Minus root 3 into 5 is minus 5 root 3. It is not 15. Simply write it as minus 5 root 3. These are the 4 terms. First you multiply 4 into root 2. Next number is 4 into 5. Both are positive. Second number is minus root 3 into root 2 is minus root 6. And the last term is minus root 3 into 5 is minus 5 root 3. What is the last final answer? You write all the 4 terms together. First one is positive, 4 root 2. And the second one is plus 20. You write over here plus 20. And the third term is minus root 6. You write here minus root 6. And the last term is minus 5 root 3. Here also no like terms. So this is our final answer. 4 root 2 plus 20 minus root 6 minus 5 root 3. So today we study how to open the bracket using identities, or without identities simply open the bracket also. Next one, in your textbook you take exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Now you solve that exercise. Exercise 1.5. Your first question is, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Some numbers are given there. You just name it as rational or irrational. That's your exercise 1.5 first question. And in first one, your number is 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. When you, this is one irrational number, root 5 is irrational. There is no specified value for that root 5. So root 5 is irrational. When you add, subtract, multiply one number with an irrational number, the getting answer is also irrational. Root 5 is irrational. When you add, subtract or multiply or divide any number with an irrational number, the getting answer is also irrational. Suppose your question is 2 plus root 3. This is also irrational. This is also irrational. Suppose your answer is 2 root 3. Root 3 is irrational, so 2 root 3 is also irrational. Another one example, root 3 divided by 2. That's also irrational. When you add, subtract, multiply or divide any number with an irrational number, the getting answer is also irrational. So 2 minus root 5 is irrational. Second one, your question is 3 plus root 23, that is inside one bracket, minus root 23. So your question is 2 plus root 23. One bracket minus root 23. This is another term. So first we need to solve it. This is not multiplication, only one minus sign over there. First term, no need to put that bracket. First I write like this, 3 plus root 23. That's the first term. Then minus root 23. What is the answer? Plus root 23 minus root 23. Both are same radical numbers. Plus root 23. Root 23 means 1 root 23. Minus root 23. Minus 1 root 23. What is plus root 23 and minus root 23? Root 23 simply we can write as plus 1 root 23. Without that one also, the answer is correct. 1 root 23 and minus root 23 means minus 1 root 23. What's the value of plus 1 minus 1? The answer is 0. The plus 1 minus 1, the value is 0 root 23. No need to write it. So this term, when you solve it, plus root 23 minus root 23, the answer is 0. So our next step is 3 plus 0. What's the value of 3 plus 0? 3 plus 0 is 3. Is it rational or irrational? 3 is one rational number. So 3 is rational. Check that question again. Your question is 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. This is not multiplication because two terms there. Second step, without bracket you write that step. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Next, both are same radical numbers. Root 23, here also root 23. When you solve it, what is root 23 plus root 23 minus root 23? The answer is 0. So we can write 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 is one rational number. So that question is rational. Next one. 2 root 7. Your third question. 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. We can cancel these same numbers. Root 7, the value is 1. So our final answer is 2 by 7. Is it rational or rational? 2 by 7 is one rational number. We can divide it. So 2 by 7 is P by Q form. So it is one rational number. Your question is 2 root 7 divide by 7 root 7. We can cancel that root 7. So the answer is 2 by 7. This is of the form P by Q. So it is rational. Next one. Your fourth question. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. We know that root 2 is irrational. So 1 by root 2 is also irrational. 1 by root 2 is also irrational. That root 2 has not a specified value. So root 2 is irrational. So 1 by root 2 is also irrational. And your last question. Last question, 2 pi. Your fifth question, 2 pi. This you know that. We already write it. Pi is irrational. So 2 pi. When you multiply pi with any number, the value answer is irrational. Because pi is irrational, 2 pi is also irrational. Suppose your question is pi plus 2. The answer is also irrational. Pi by 2. That's also irrational. Okay. So that first exercise 1.5 first question is over. Then next one, simplify each of the following expression. We already studied. First I told the first one. Your second question, the first part, 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. All are different numbers, so you simply open the bracket. What's the first step? 3 into 2. So first step is 3 into 2 equal to 6. Second step, 3 into root 2. Second step, 3 into root 2. What is 3 into root 2? 3 root 2. And the next one, root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 2. So our answer is 2 root 3. And the last step, root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. So the answer is root 6. All are positive numbers. So at last you write all the steps together. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Here also no like terms. So our answer is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Second one, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Our answer is a square minus b square. Then you take what is the value of a equal to, in the place of a, the value is 3. And the place of b, the value is root 3. So our answer is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 equals a square minus b square. A square 3 into 3 minus b square root 3 into root 3. So our answer is, then multiply. 3 into 3 is 9 minus, what is the value of root 3 into root 3? We know that root 3 into root 3 is root 9. The value of root 9 is 3. So we can write over here 3. So what is the value of 9 minus 3 is 6. Hope this section is clear for you.